America's strength did not begin on the battlefield. It began in its factories.
The United States could replace weapons faster than enemies could destroy them.
Every ship lost was answered with 2 more.
Japan faced an enemy protected by distance and time.
While Japan rationed fuel, America drowned in it.
American pilots trained longer and returned alive.
Japanese pilots often flew missions they could not return from.
America mastered carrier warfare faster than anyone imagined.
The sky itself became American territory.
Monkey.
America saw the enemy before the enemy arrived.
Japanese secrets were no longer secret. At Midway, fear replaced confidence.
4 carriers lost in a single day.
America did not retreat, it advanced!
These men were trained to adapt, not surrender.
Every island taught America how to fight better. No fortress remained permanent.
American firepower reshaped landscapes.
America brought its wounded home.
Japan fought until exhaustion. America fought until victory.
Then came a new kind of terror.
Entire cities burned beneath American wings.
The war reached home!
What Japan feared most was unseen. Science became a weapon.
One plane changed history.
A moment of silence before devastation.
A single bomb, more powerful than entire fleets. There was no defense. Fear turned into certainty. The unthinkable had happened.
The war was over.
Victory did not require invasion.
Fear became acceptance.
The feared enemy became the occupier.
America rebuilt what it destroyed. Fear slowly faded. Power reshaped perception.
learned the lesson.
American power never disappeared. Speed was America's greatest weapon.
The imbalance was unavoidable.
Even enemies respected the machine.
The ocean was no longer safe.
Supply never stopped. Losses became permanent.
Experience multiplied.
Desperation replaced strategy.
Sacrifice met steel.
The net closed slowly, then completely.
Every move was calculated.
Coordination collapsed.
Control of the sky meant control of the war.
Production could not recover.
Confidence replaced fear.
Fear spread beyond soldiers.
The Pacific became an American lake. The moment that brought the conflict to its end.
History closed its chapter.
Power reshaped the world. From fear came rebirth.
Former enemies became allies.
Fear leaves scars.
Power always has a cost.
The lesson remains.
Fear evolves, so does power.
Memory shapes nations.
The war ended, but its echoes remain.
Fear transformed into understanding.
Silence replaced thunder.
Power must be remembered. Fear did not define the future.
Only history remained. And history never forgets.
Because power changes everything.